Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Nissan Titan Faster Full guide. Start by performing a full diagnostic scan, then run a measured road test to capture baseline numbers for power, torque, and drivetrain losses. Note any intake, exhaust, or fueling issues before buying parts. Focus on bolt-on upgrades first to prove gains, then plan tuning and drivetrain upgrades in logical order to protect the engine and transmission. Airflow and fueling changes offer the best early returns without an engine rebuild. Start with a quality cold air intake and a less restrictive exhaust to free the engine to breathe. Follow that with a proven ECU tune to adjust fueling, timing, and throttle mapping for your modifications. These bolt-ons work together to multiply gains, so install and tune in stages while logging results and watching temperatures carefully to avoid surprises. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find this guide. Quick recommendation: I love the socks you see here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are great for long builds and shop work. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Power is only useful if it reaches the pavement and the engine stays healthy. Strengthen the drivetrain by upgrading the transmission cooler and serviceable components like clutches or torque converters if needed. Address traction with a limited slip or better tires, and consider differential gear ratios if you want quicker launches. Finally, control engine temps with improved cooling so sustained runs do not lead to thermal pullback or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.